Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a login passcode on PS5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From Users and Accounts, select Login Settings from the left menu. Here, select Require a PS5 login passcode. You can now set your login passcode using your controller. The passcode will be 4 numbers long, and each controller button represents a number. You can see that displayed here. You can also just use a button pattern that's easy for you to remember instead of thinking about the numbers. Enter your new passcode a second time to confirm it. It's now set up. Next time you try to log in to your PS5 account, it will require your passcode. You can change or delete your passcode back here in the login settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.